Welcome to our exploration of AI-driven digital marketing in 2025. Discover how technology is transforming the way we approach online marketing strategies. In the world of SEO, two powerful tools stand out, the SEMrush and Ahrefs. Today, we'll delve into their features and functionalities. The SEMrush offers robust features like keyword research, competitive analysis, and site audits. Let's see how AI enhances these functionalities. Ahrefs is known for its backlink analysis and keyword explorer tools. Discover how its unique AI capabilities set it apart. Let's now compare the pricing structures of the SEMrush and Ahrefs to understand their value for money. Here are some real-life case studies of successful campaigns leveraging SEMrush's capabilities. Similarly, let's examine successful campaigns that have harnessed the power of Ahrefs. Learn how to leverage AI insights for improved content marketing and SEO strategies. What does the future hold for AI marketing tools? Explore the potential impacts on the industry. Choosing the right tool for your digital marketing strategy in 2025 is crucial. Take into account your specific needs and campaigns.